Alright guys, so here's a pair of my handcuffs. I really don't know what company they're from or any, I don't know, right there. Let me get that out very clearly. There, this is the model. I had to cross out my name and everything. I'm an explorer for the sheriff's office. These handcuffs are very nice. They run a little easy, but some of them go a little hard. I like these, but I want to get the asp hinged so when I pull them out of my cuff case, they're ready to go instead of me having to get them around and everything just to get them out. And this cuff right here, like, it gets stuck, but with this one right here, it'll just go. And see the difference. It's kind of harder for me to push in. I have a hold on, a key right here with double lock pin. With a double lock pin. It has a little clip to go on your shirt. See in the back of the handcuffs. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but there's the double lock hole. Just take the key, put it in there like so, and then you'll have to put the handcuff key in, turn it left, keep going until it goes click, and you can bring the key out and it'll be unlocked back up again. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Comment, subscribe, like, give me a big thumbs up. Thank you guys, have a wonderful day. I'll be posting more videos of me in my uniform soon. Alright, thank you.